Alright, so the first step is going to be installing Node.js. If you already have Node.js in your system, there's no need for you to install it again, right? So how do we install it? First, we need to go to nodejs.org, and right here, you can have, of course, the options. I'm a Mac computer, so this is videos for Mac, so you will need to download this one. I have this one, I believe, but you can download this one or this one. So I'm going to click on this one. And I'm going to go and store it inside the downloads. So it's going to take a minute. Going to pause the video and be right back. Okay, so everything was downloaded. If we go to downloads, you're going to get it right here. And if you click on it, of course, it's going to give you this window asking you for the installation types. Now, I'm not going to install it because I've already have Node in my system and I have a different version, so I'll need to delete the previous one and install the new one. But the one I have, it's going to work just fine. So I don't want to update it. So we're going to go to continue, then continue. It's going to ask you if you want to agree. Yes, agree. And of course, the installation type, and then of course, go to install. And after everything is installed, you just exit the installer, right? Okay. Now the problem is, how can we check if Node is installed in our system? Since I believe you're using a Mac computer, so you will need to do command and space and bring the spotlight search, and you do terminal, of course. If you press enter, it's going to give you the terminal, and we will be using this terminal a lot in this course. So how can we check if we have Node? So first we say Node, right? Just Node, and then -v. So -v means version. So with this, we will be asking the terminal the version of Node we are running in our system. So if you press enter, it will give you the version of Node. I'm using the 8.6, so I'm a little bit behind, but that's fine. So if you're not getting this, it's because you will need to restart the computer. So restart your computer and then come back. All right, so let's go to the next section.